Hi, it's Crystal with Over Craftiness. I'm going to continue the video for the stencil for cookie decorating. And here we are on my desktop. We're going to open Firefox. And I'm going to go to find a SVG. I like to go to Love SVG. They have a lot of great free SVG cut files here. And I'm going to do a search. I have a wedding that I'm looking to do. So I'm going to do a miss. And then I'm going to download, I really like this one. I've already looked at this page, so I really like this one. So I'm going to click on the Mr. and Miss, and then I'm going to scroll down to the download zip file. I'm going to press OK, just so you know I'm running Windows here on my PC. And then I'm going to open up the file, and I only want to save the SVG, so I'm going to drag this onto my desktop, okay? I'm going to close out of here, and I'm going to minimize, and I see it right there. So I'm going to open this back up. I'm going to open Cricut Design Space. I'm going to go to New Project. Here I have a blank canvas. I'm going to go to Upload, Upload Image. I'm going to go to Browse, and I'm going to find Mr. and Miss right there. I'm going to rename this so it says Mr. and Miss. I'm going to save this. And this is going to be a two-part stencil. You'll see what I'm talking about. So I want to be able to make the hearts and the Mr. and Miss two different colors on my cookie when it's completed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this around here to the middle. And you can see here my width of this is 4.21 and my height is 4.20. My cookies are usually 3 inches and under. So I'm going to change this and I'm going to make this 2. And the height will be 1.99. And then I'm going to make my screen just a little bigger. And then I'm going to ungroup this set. The hearts are already grouped, so we want to leave them like that. And then we want to group the Mr. and Miss. So we're going to group that. We're going to put this back together so we can see where it goes. That's perfect. Okay. Then we're going to take our shapes and we're going to open up a square. I like to change my square to white. You can leave it any color you prefer, but that's my preference. I use the Stencil Genie, I apologize. First generation, so it's 5.5 is the stencil size it'll hold. And I'm gonna go back out to 100% here in my screen so you can see this. And I'm actually gonna duplicate this, so I have 2 of them, okay? So then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move over the Mr. and Miss. I'm gonna arrange this so this goes to the front. I'm going to drag over to select all. I'm going to align it so it's center, going to group, and I'm going to attach, okay? I'm going to do the same thing over here with the hearts. I'm going to put the square over it. I'm going to arrange so the square actually goes back this time. I'm going to select all. I'm going to arrange so it is moved, sorry, I'm going to align so it's centered. I'm going to group, and then I'm going to attach, okay? So now your stencils are ready to be cut. So you're going to go to Make It. You want to make sure loaded onto your mat is the Aura Mask stencil film. We are going to mirror these and we're going to go to continue. The selection dial that you're going to select is going to be 1 step higher than vinyl. So in between vinyl and iron-on is a little dot. You're going to select that. And then you're going to load. And then you're going to cut. So while this is cutting, I want just a friendly reminder of what you're going to need. You're going to need the squeegee. You're going to need your transfer tape, whichever you prefer. You're going to need your mesh 110 count fabric, a lint roller, and a clipboard. And I'm going to cut off and then go back into the video process part of this.